scattered showers and thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Stewart, moving east at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hinesville, Fort Stewart, McIntosh, Flemington, Trinity, and Liberty Regional Medical Center. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. The local time is 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The areas affected